Understanding approval. Key word for IELTS and daily life. Imagine you're waiting anxiously for your boss to give you the go ahead on a big project. That moment when they finally say yes is all about approval. Today, we're exploring this important word that you'll likely encounter in your IELTS exam and everyday life. Word type. Approval is a noun. Meaning, approval refers to the act of agreeing to, accepting, or giving permission for something. It also describes a positive opinion or feeling about someone or something. Word history. The word approval comes from the Old French word approuver, which means to agree or consent. It entered the English language in the 15th century and has been an essential part of our vocabulary ever since. Synonyms. Some words that mean something similar to approval include acceptance, agreement, consent, and endorsement. Antonyms, on the other hand, words that mean the opposite of approval are disapproval, rejection, refusal, and denial. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how we can use approval in different contexts. First, the new policy received widespread approval from the employees. Second, she sought her parents' approval before making the big decision. Third, the drug is currently awaiting approval from health authorities. Common errors in use. Be careful not to confuse approval with approve. While approval is a noun, approve is a verb. For example, you would say the manager gave his approval for the project, not the manager gave his approve for the project. Another common mistake is using approval when you mean appreciation. While they can be related, they're not the same. Approval implies agreement or permission, while appreciation is about recognizing value or being grateful. To wrap up, approval is a versatile and important word in English. It's about agreement, permission, and positive opinions. Remember its correct usage, and you'll be well on your way to expressing yourself clearly in your IELTS exam and beyond. Keep practicing with this word in your speaking and writing to make it a natural part of your vocabulary.